guys, so how to use your Tong Shui and Dong Gong calendar using my Tong Shui and Dong Gong calendar. All right. So, okay. So if you have access or you already have a copy of my Tong Shui and Dong Gong calendar, which is this, congratulations. All you have to do is just open it while you're listening to this video so you can easily follow. Now, if you haven't downloaded this, please visit this website and you can download this to help guide you within 2024. Now, the good thing about this calendar, it's not only about using the tongshu, it also add another layer, which is the dongle. So when a day is good, both in tongshu and donggong calendar, this specs the day as excellent. Okay, this is especially good if you're trying to open up a business, propose to someone. Now, this is basic. But basically, this is a good start when it comes to using your tongshu and donggong calendar. And you can also use this for traveling. Okay. So let's go visit my calendar. My calendar. So let's visit February 2024. So it says here the dates that we have that are good is 6, 12, and 24. Now, what does this mean? Basically, these are the days that are already positive when it comes to Tongsho, but at the same time, not when it comes to Donggong, this is also a good date. So there are 4 dates, okay, when it comes to days now that you should pay attention to is either success day, open, stable, and initiate. Now, within those 4, what you want, you also have the red stars or the red elements below. This actually indicates that it's not only good using the Tongshu, it's also good in Donggong calendar. So this is definitely an excellent day to do any activity that's important, no? Especially when it comes to your career, your family relations, and so on and so forth. Especially if you want to start something new and you want to have a good day to jumpstart the positive energy. The instructions on the further right, if the activity is actually good, they're colored in red. If they're bad, they're colored in black. Okay, so what you want amongst those 4, which I mentioned, which is success, stable, open, and initiate day, there's also a red layer. This means that definitely this day is quite excellent. Another point that you have to also consider is that before you even select any day, make sure that the day doesn't clash with your year animal. So say for instance, February 6th says here it's Geng Rat, meaning this should be avoided by people who are born in the year of the horse, because rat and horse are clashing animals. When you pick a day that clashes with your year animal, what usually happen, the good start that we have for that day is voided. Okay, so we don't want that to happen. So best to select another day and just make sure that you eliminate the ones that clashes with your year animal. Okay, so that's how you use my Tongshu and Donggong calendar. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send me a message, comment. And yes, I hope that you actually follow, subscribe, like, and share this video. So sharing is caring. All right, see you.